Hey guys, William Movie here from the Ultimate Gamers, and today I'm gonna forfeit again. I'm doing dog food. Most people wouldn't think that these are. I can show you here. These are dog food, but they are. They are. So yeah. Um. ugh, come- I am actually shaking because I don't know if they're fresh, anything, So yep. I need to put myself through this punishment, so I don't have any water or anything to drink because I drank the water before I even done this. So here we go. First one, even if I can eat one. Here we go. Just like fucking shit. There it is. I can't even. Oh, shit, my. I tried, but I broke it in my teeth, but just that shit nasty. Oh, fuck. Oh, ow. Sorry guys, don't get this. It's mainly eating dog food, but it's only just yeah. We'll go for a new one here. Oh Jesus, that is oh god, I can't do this. Here we go, here we go. Oh, oh my god. Oh god, I just been fucking sick in my god. Oh, look, you can see it. Oh, oh god, right, we'll go for the third one. Yeah, here we go. I'm gonna die. But I'm doing it for you guys. Jeez, I'm screen. I just spat on the screen. Oh god, right, we'll go for an arm. We'll see if we can break it. Guys, I cannot do this anymore. So, okay, we haven't broken this one, so we'll try. Yes. Sorry, dude. We're going to end this video. Oh god. Oh god. That was pretty good. I don't think if you could see that, but just like, oh shit. Okay, I think we should do a next challenge. So, I hope you like the new intro, guys. I'm the new intro, so straight after this video, I'm doing another video which is drink my own sick. So that was just fucking Jesus Christ.